Hey, welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is a quick video kind of to show you a little bit how to repair the best way to repair a USB key that has problems. Now keep in mind that lots of the problems with USB keys, it can be mechanical, it can be electronic, so it can be the key itself that's bad. But very often the problem on USB keys is simply the file system being corrupt. So you try to transfer files, it's going to say that, for example, the file is too big, yet when you look at the file it's small and there's enough space. Or it can tell you that an error occurred while it was transferring from the computer to the key or from the key to the computer. So all sorts of little things can happen. Maybe it's unreadable. You put it on and it doesn't show anything, or it gives you a weird message. So one of the little things that you can actually do is format your USB key. So what you'll do is that insert your USB key in any USB port. It will bring you to the File Explorer. If you put that key for the first time, you might have a window on the upper right of your screen that says tap here to see what you can do, what happens with your USB drive. Then you'll tap on that message on the upper right and you'll be sent to the File Explorer here. So you want to format the drive. What you'll do is actually right click in the left panel there on your USB drive. So keep in mind you have to find what is the name of your USB drive under the computer tab here. Right click on the drive and then you'll have in the list format. Click there and just leave it with this default name and the same information that is already there. A quick format is alright. Just do start and you're going to say OK. Keep in mind, formatting your USB drive will erase everything on the drive. So that's very important to know. So click OK, and after a few moments your USB key is going to be formatted. So it says here format complete. So if your drive is kind of flaky, that is one great little option to use, because very often I'd say almost once 50% of the time your USB drive is unusable just because the file system is corrupt. So by formatting, you're actually creating a new file system on the drive, so it comes back as a good working order drive. If formatting doesn't work, then your drive might actually have different problems. It can have a compatibility problem with your computer. It can have a driver problem in your computer. You can also have a faulty drive. Keep in mind that USB keys are good and reliable, but if you use them very often, as I do, for example, this drive I keep with my keys in my pockets every day. I use it at least 20 to 30 times a week on different computers, so the chances are very high that it's actually gonna break. The more you use your drive with different types of computers, the higher the chances that your drive is going to fail. It could be because of bad voltage in computer ports. So some computer USB ports might deliver higher voltage than necessary and actually burn out the drive components. But formatting your drive is a great way to try to bring it back to life if there's a problem. And of course, like every time you enter your USB key, don't forget to go either on the bottom right and eject your USB key, or go into the File Explorer on the left, and in the left pane just right click on your USB key and click the eject. So both ways are good to eject before you actually take it out of the USB port. Keep in mind that lots of the USB key problems come from being removed from the computer without being ejected, and that will corrupt your file system. So if you did remove it from your computer without ejecting it, then formatting will actually fix any problems that was on the drive. Once again, keep in mind that formatting your USB drive will actually erase everything on your drive. So if you enjoy these Windows 8 videos and want to learn more on how to use your Windows 8 machine, click the subscribe button at the top of the screen. You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments or questions, let us know. And of course, you might give us suggestions for videos you'd like to see, and we'll try to put those online for you. And hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.